Hi everyone. Yesterday I was talking about driving our channel in a new direction and I have got something right here. Let me show you. And this is what I was talking about. I have got the Google Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro right here. And with this, we'll be moving our channel in a new direction. Now this is not going to be a typical unboxing video because you have seen a lot of unboxings of the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro on many other YouTube channels already. I'm here to tell you why I got these phones and what's going to happen next on our channel. And in the meanwhile, I'll definitely unbox these phones too. So you may watch the unboxing as well if you are interested in that. Anyways, basically the Google Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro are the very first devices that I have ever, the very first Pixel devices that I have ever got my hands on. I have never used or owned a Pixel device before. These are the two devices that made a lot of sense to me for all of my upcoming comparisons and videos, so I pulled the trigger on these two. Now the Pixel 6, of course, it's a mid-range kind of device, and the Pixel 6 Pro is like a very powerful flagship device. Google has equipped these phones with their own chipset, which is the Tensor chipset, and they have loaded these phones with exceptional cameras and a lot of other features. Now there have been many users and many reviewers talking about the battery life of these phones, but that's not really a concern for me now. As I told you, I got these phones solely for driving our channel in a new direction, and I want to bring a lot of content for you guys that you have not seen before. I got the Pixel 6 in the seafoam green color, or the sea green, whatever this color is called, and inside the box we do not get the charger. This is just a USB-C to C cable, and this is a converter for the USB type A to USB-C. And then here we have got some documentation for these phones. And then we have the Pixel 6 Pro. I got it in the black color because the black color looked absolutely gorgeous. By the way, I got these phones from the Google store, which is located in Manhattan, New York. The Pixel 6 was already unboxed because on this phone we had to use 5G in the New York, and I had not touched the Pixel 6 Pro. So here is the Pixel 6 Pro, and as you can see, this is a lovely device in the black color. The unboxing experience is the same. There is nothing extraordinary or nothing extra in the box. Just a usual USB-C cable, the converter. Now these phones are beautiful. I mean, Google has come a long way from the Nexus devices. The Pixel 6 Pro looks gorgeous. The screen looks lovely. The Pixel 6 basically has got slightly bigger bezels, but overall, these devices look beautiful and I like this design. Google has done a great job once again, but only time will tell how these devices go in the long run. I have heard of Google fixing the battery life issues on these devices, but I am yet to try that, and I'll only form my decision once I have experienced the issues or the fixes on my Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro devices. Now if we talk about my overall experience of these devices, I have used the Pixel 6 for a while, as I told you that it was unboxed earlier, and the experience has been pretty good. My main purpose for using the Pixel 6 was to use the internet, and the internet ran really fast on that device. Also, I have liked the cameras of the Pixel 6 a lot so far. I am looking forward to comparing the Pixel 6 with the phones like the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, which is on the way, and with the Samsung Galaxy A73 and the Galaxy A53 as well. And then I'll be comparing the Samsung Galaxy S22 and all of other Samsung flagship devices with the Google Pixel 6 Pro. With this, we'll be adding the thorough coverage of the Google Pixel devices on our channel, and that's not it. I also have the Android 12 in mind and all of the upcoming variants of Android. I know that Google always pushes the Android updates first of all to the Pixel devices, and it's going to be fun getting all the upcoming variants of Android before any other smartphone maker, and then putting up the videos for all of you before someone else does. These are my main goals for getting the Google Pixel devices, and I also plan on comparing the Android 12, the vanilla Android 12 running on the Pixel 6 with the Samsung One UI, iOS and some other software. So in a few days, we'll be also focusing on the software-based videos on the channel, With this, the content is going to get diversified and hopefully you guys are going to love it. These both devices run dark mode out of the box, which is really interesting because no other manufacturer does this. The high refresh rate on these phones is also something noteworthy. Google has made the biggest leaps in terms of improvements when it comes to the new Pixel devices, and Google has done everything, almost everything right this time, and which is why these devices have become kind of a huge success. Yes, there are some issues, but I hope that those issues will be fixed. As I said, some issues are already being fixed and some users are really happy, especially with the Google Pixel 6, and they are calling it the best value for money smartphone. Because at this price point, you cannot find a smartphone with such an incredible camera and a flagship grade chipset. Now the Tensor chip is basically a modified variant of the Samsung Exynos chip, which is what I am also very much curious about. I want to see how this chip runs in the long run. And of course, I'll be testing these phones thoroughly and I'll be putting up the camera reviews and the full reviews of these phones, although it's very late, but I do want to tell you guys how my experience has been with these two devices. I guess that is pretty much it with these devices. Obviously, I did not talk about any specifications or any other aspects of these smartphones because, as I told you earlier, this was not a typical unboxing video. I'm very late with these devices. Yesterday, I also unboxed my LG 32GP850 monitor, which is a nano IPS monitor, and I wanted to put up the unboxing video for all of you here, but unfortunately the camera focused on the box of the monitor and not on me. It looked like a shadow was talking to the camera, which is why I skipped that video. I really feel sad because I invested a lot of money on the monitor and I wanted to show you guys what the monitor looks like and what is the unboxing experience like, because I am getting that monitor after 6 months of its release and it doesn't make sense to show you the typical unboxing once again, but the video was ruined and I skipped it. I hope you guys understand that well and you guys liked this video. And if you guys want me to make an extraordinary video covering any of these devices, feel free to drop your suggestions in the comment section down below. You know that I always respond all the relevant comments and I do take your suggestions seriously. So I'll be looking forward to hearing you guys out. If you have not hit that subscribe button, please hit it now and hit the like button if you found this video useful. With that being said, I will sign off and see you all in the next one.